In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi networks not showing on your Lenovo laptop. First, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Click the network icon on the taskbar and confirm it's enabled. Next, restart your laptop. This often fixes temporary connection issues. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi and ensure it's switched on. Now scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Then click Network Reset to refresh all network connections. If Wi-Fi networks are still not appearing, check your driver. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. That's it. These steps should help restore missing Wi-Fi networks on your Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.